पेड्ड्यार जाल्ली नायलॉनची जाळी दर्यांत उडयल्ल्यान सैमाची हानी जाताच। ते भायर नुस्तें ही जाळी खातात आनी नुस्त्याच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ती आमच्याय पोटान वता। ह्या समस्येचेर उपाय काडपाक तेरी ह्या संस्थेन एक आगळो असो पायलट प्रकल्प गोंयांत हालींच राबयलो। पळयात हो प्रकल्प कितें तो।
तेरी संस्थेन शिरदोण, ओडशेल आनी काकरा ह्या 3 गांवांत हो प्रकल्प राबयल्लो। नुस्तेकारांनी वापरिल्ल्या जाळ्याची सैमीक पद्दतीन विल्हेवाट लावपाक हे संस्थेन मजत केल्ली। ते भायर ह्या जाळ्यांचो जाता तसो मोबदलोय नुस्तेकारांक मेळोवन दिलो। ह्या प्रकल्पात तेरी संस्थेन गोंय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळ, नुस्तेमारी खाते, स्क्रॅप डीलर आनी नुस्तेकार अशा वेगवेगळ्या घटकांक आस्पावन घेतले। स्क्रॅप डिलरांनी येवन तांची जाळी 12 रुपया किलो दरान विकती घेतली। तांणी जर जाळी बरे तरेन निवळ केली आनी व्यवस्थित स्टोर करून दवरली जाल्यार तांकां एका किलोक 40 ते 45 रुपया मेळपाक शकतात, अशें तेरीच्यो गोंय मुखेली डॉक्टर अश्विनी पै पाणंदीकर हांणी गोमंतक टीव्ही कडेन उलयतना सांगलें।
So basically what we did, we worked with 3 pilot villages, namely Shiridao, Otshel and Kakra. When we approached the fisher folks and we started interacting with them, we realized that there was lack of infrastructure when it comes to discarding of fishing nets. So basically there was not enough space in their houses to store the fishing nets, the old fishing nets, for a long time for proper disposal. And so to as a solution, they would just burn it down or sometimes throw the nets back into the water, which is very bad for the environment. So to address this issue, we designed couple of products using these fishing nets and conducted hands-on training workshops for these fisher folks and gave them training and ideas of how they can use the fishing nets to develop these products and sell them in market. But then we realized for larger mass recycling of these fishing nets, it is better that they get money for the scrap net, and also it gets recycled through an industry, so that there is a mass recycling of nets.
सध्या गोयचे चडशे नुस्तेकार वापरात नाशिल्ली जाळी घरात जागा नाशिल्ल्यान उजो घालून ती लासून उडयताले वा दर्यांत उडयताले। ताका लागून दर्याच्या इकोसिस्टमाचेर ताचो वायट परिणाम जातालो। ते भायर नुस्तें ही जाळी खाताली आनी तेच नुस्तें आमी खातात, देखून लोकांच्या भलायकेचेरूय वायट परिणाम जातलो, अशें डॉक्टर पाणंदीकर हांणी सांगलें। हो पायलट प्रकल्प यशस्वी जाल्ल्यान आतां तो गोंयच्या हेर नुस्तेमारी गांवांनी लागू करपाचो प्रस्ताव आसा, अशें तांचें म्हणणें।
So to address that, then we started the task of connecting and bringing on board all the stakeholders in the value chain of the fishing nets. So we brought on board these fisher folks, of course, but also the government departments like State Pollution Control Board and Directorate of Fisheries, the aggregator or the scrap dealer, the retailer and the industry. We had a collection drive for these old fishing nets, where the scrap dealer then actually went to the those fishing villages and bought the fishing nets from them. He paid around 12 rupees per kg that time, but at the same time he trained them or talked to them and showed them that how the nets have to be cleaned and how they should be storing them. So how the ropes should be detached from the nets and how the weight should be stored in different places for them to get more price. So he's ready to pay around 40 to 45 rupees a kg if the nets are properly cleaned and stored the way he wants, because the industry requirement is that way. So that kind of training was also given to the fishermen. Apart from this, through this project, we also had a awareness generation workshop for the field officers from Directorate of Fisheries, and we also designed a flyer with the information on how to discard fishing nets responsibly. We handed over these flyers to the Fisheries Department for them to create awareness amongst the fisher folks in other fishing villages across Goa.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नायक।